Engineered for indoor and outdoor spaces, the Avanti open fireplace is as adaptable as it is stylish. Uninterrupted fire views are beautifully framed by a range of 4 fascia options, making it the ideal centrepiece for any entertaining area. Supplied with a traditional black fascia, the Avanti is also easily transformed to suit a variety of environments. If clean lines are your thing, the fascia can be removed altogether and flush mounted into a masonry wall space. The stainless steel fascia exudes class and elegance and is perfect for the most modern spaces. Or for that industrial feel, our rusted Corten fascia looks amazing and is unique to the Avanti range. Can't decide? Don't worry. Avanti decorative fascias simply clip onto the front of the firebox and can be changed in a matter of minutes. Also included with every Avanti is a removable fire screen, protective gloves and an adjustable stainless steel cooking plate which converts this opulent fireplace into a wood-fired barbecue in seconds. Find the Avanti range in your local Bunnings warehouse.